G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I thought I'd make a really simple Asian dish with a bit of an Aussie twist. It's really simple, it's just a nice eggy, bacony rice, and it's so easy to throw together. You wonder why you don't make it all the time. Anyway, I'm going to make it right now, so let me show you how I like to make mine. So for this, all I'm using is, well, I got one spring onion here, a couple of eggs, I've got some butter, oh yeah. I'm using some oyster sauce today, but if you've got some soy sauce, you can use that as well, or you can use them both. I've got some garlic here. I've got some cooked rice here. It was about a cup of raw rice, but cooked, I mean, it makes quite a bit. And here I've got some bacon. Now, there's only a few things I need to cut up. And that's this spring onion. And also, just the bacon into like edible bits. Nothing too extreme. Just so it cooks nice and fast. I mean, this meal is one that shouldn't take too long. Alright, well, I've got a nice deep frying pan here. Has it warmed up yet? Oh, yes it has. So I want to add some vegetable oil in there. And I've made sure that this frying pan's nice and hot too. And into there, I'll throw the bacon and the spring onion shallots. We'll start those cooking. While they're cooking, I'll get the rice, and into here, we'll crack these eggs. Give it a nice mix through. Trying to coat all the rice with that egg. Okay, well, this should be cooking nicely. Smells good, I tell ya. Right, now into there. Now this is just an option. You can chuck in if you want. Just got a bit of garlic. Why not? Fry that off. And I don't know if you noticed, but I did have a chilli sitting on that cutting board. So after I chop that up, I'll throw that in as well. Alright, well this looks like it's, cooking well. So I better add the rice in. Now basically we just need to sort of heat this rice up and wait for the egg to cook as well. It'll take a few minutes. It's not going to just happen, it'll take a little while. Now I might make a bit of a space in the middle here because I do have some butter which I'd like to melt. That'll really add that extra flavour all over the rice. Butter and rice is like a really great winning combination. And so is butter and oyster sauce actually. So for this amount of rice I'll probably add, I don't know, maybe a couple of tablespoons because that was quite a lot of rice. We'll mix that together and then we can just start mixing this all together and get all the rice coated in that oyster sauce and that extra flavouring. You can use your magical skills if you got any. I think I just found some, so I might as well use them. Now you might want to give it a taste just to make sure it's salty enough. Oh, it is, but I'll just add a little bit more salt in some soy sauce. Not too much, just a tiny bit. That could have been too much, but I doubt it, because I'd normally add about 10 times more than that. But I shouldn't go too heavy on it. Here we go. I'll turn that off now, because this is ready to plate up. Okey-dokey. Oh, this smells so good. You know what would have made this look good? Some green stuff on top. Wish I had some left. Okay. Oh. That tastes so Aussie, yet so Asian. Kind of like Australasian. So there you go, there's Gregor's Australasian delightful rice. I hope you enjoy yours, and if you do make it, I'd love to know what you thought about yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is great.